Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for this review wear test video. We are going to be reviewing today the very popular Boomba bras. This right here is the Invisbra sticky bra, Boomba Invisible Lift inserts, the Boomba Demi Boost inserts. If you're new here, I'm Christine. Would love if you would please subscribe and be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, if you guys find this review helpful and enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a like. Would really appreciate it. I'll make sure to link these down below in the description box in case you're interested, but I will be giving you my brutally honest opinion. Really intrigued with these Boomba bras. At the time when I saw the ads on Instagram and TikTok, I was like, I think these would be great, especially for the summertime, because let's keep it real, I'm pretty sure you guys have tried the sticky bras, and those things are great during the fall, winter, springtime, but once the temperatures start to rise, if you sweat, it is a huge hot mess. A strapless bra is great for maybe a few hours of wear, but if you're wearing it for a really long period of time, it is super uncomfortable, especially at the end of the day. I would prefer wearing, a regular strap bra. There are so many tank tops and just shirts and dresses that require a different type of bra if you don't want the actual bra to be visible. My girls are C cups. Let's first start with the Boomba Invisible Lift inserts. I have worn these. They do include an instruction card, how to use it properly, and also the compatible clothing, which we will get to. So they are available in a few different colors. These do have a sticky backing on the inside as well as the outside. I'm going to remove the backing in just a second so you guys can see, but even the front part is sticky. Right here on the side, it does have like a little padding where it will give your girls that little boost. For instance, this dress that I'm currently wearing, I'm wearing a regular bra right now. The girls don't feel lifted, and at times you can also see the inner portion right here depending on how I'm standing. This is the before. We are not wearing a bra right now, but essentially you want to wear your garment and then position your girls how you would like. Press firmly on your clothing. So here's a comparison between the two, the no bra and then the Boomba inserts, which I know you can completely see the little outline of the Boomba. This is the type of material they recommend not to wear with the Boomba Invisible Lift inserts because it is stretchy. Probably would wear this with this dress just because I think it looks a little bit better and you don't see the bra lines at all. Although you can see the padding, like where it stops and ends, but the girls feel lifted and it just feels freeing knowing that I'm not wearing an actual bra. And even the back portion, because it doesn't have any bra lines, which is one of the best things. Let me show you the type of clothing they recommend you wear with the Boomba Invisible Lift inserts. Now this type of material, which is a lot thicker, it also has a lining on the inside, makes the Invisbra a little bit more seamless. The only thing it doesn't have is some sort of like underwire underneath to really help hold up the Invisbra. Let me show you how the girls look, because they are definitely held in, and I think it looks really great. They're lifted. This is a backless jumpsuit, so it just ties in the back, so you don't have to worry about wearing a bra. And a lot of the reviews I've been seeing, they just kind of insert it and then boom, that's it. But you have to adjust it. The next one we're going to be reviewing are the Boomba Demi Boost inserts. Again, it's that same insert where it's sticky on the outside as well as the inside, little boost insert pads, so they really help push up the girls. I'm wearing this pink bodysuit with a square neckline with a regular bra. Same thing, you want to wear your garment and then take your Demi Boost insert, position your girls the way how you would like them. Your nips should actually be at the edge of the insert. So I did take the time to really smooth out any creases and all that, but here are the girls. wearing the Demi Boost inserts, and quite honestly I love the Demi Boost inserts because it just feels like it gives the girls that extra little oomph. They feel comfortable. I've worn these out the whole day. Thing with this material is that it is stretchy, so I found myself having to adjust the Demi inserts every now and then, but still I think it looks great, and it just really helps enhance and push up the girls. So let me show you another top which is a little bit more structured. Here's another one of my favorite bodysuits with a deep V. I'm wearing a regular bra with it. Here is the bodysuit with the Boomba Demi inserts, and I just love how the girls are kind of pushed in together and they are lifted. Not as lifted though as the other one because the other one is a little bit tighter, but it does have a bit of stretch to it. But the girls feel pretty much free and they feel secure. I wanted to also give you an example of a top that would not be the best fit for the Demi inserts, which would be this type because it is very stretchy. So, you know, the inserts are kind of just hanging off to the side, which is not the look that you want, and your girls do not feel lifted or secured, and it just really feels like the inserts are going to fall. It's important that your clothing is form-fitting and not loose like this. The last one we were going to be reviewing and we're going to be wear testing is the Boomba Invisible Sticky Bra. Now, I was really excited about this bra. Again, these do come in different colors. It's supposed to be the thinnest sticky bra. This bra does have a clasp in the middle, which you kind of slide underneath, and then it snaps into place. Now, when I received this, to be very transparent, I was a little bit disappointed because I thought that the stickiness would also be on the outer portion of the bra, but it's only on the inner portion. So I had my doubts about it, but really wanted to give it also the benefit of the doubt. For instance, the one I'm currently wearing, this is what I had in mind to use whenever, you know, if I want to pull the shoulders off the shoulder before with a regular bra. Here's how it looks with the Invisbra, which I think looks great. Pulled off the shoulder, comfortable, very cute, feels secure. Wearing this dress during my friend Lizzie and Journey's jewelry line, Ethereal Jewelry, launch party, and this is how I wore it with this dress with the cutout. And of course you can wear this with a regular bra, but you know, it looks very seamless because there are no bra lines. It's just very smooth. That's the thing with this bra, is that you really have to smooth it out so that there are no little bumps. Not super thick, but it is stretchy, and it held in place the whole day. Now keep in mind, it wasn't hot. It was pretty much like in the 80s, but I wasn't sweating or anything. So I wanted to really test out this bra to see how it would hold up on a very hot weather day where you're sweating, you're out and about. Even on their website, they do have a model who's wearing a tank top very similar to the ones that I normally wear when I go out to Six Flags Magic Mountain, and I really wanted to test it out and see if it would hold up for the day. So I'll insert that footage now. Typically with a tank top like this, I would wear a bra that is also kind of like a halter. It has a round neck and it really holds the girls in. But today we are going to be switching it out to the Boomba Invisibra. Here are the girls wearing the Boomba Invisibra, and I'm gonna be honest, kind of have my doubts how this sticky bra is gonna hold up through the day. I love how it's like seamless, right? It looks really seamless. The girls look lifted, not like super high lifted, but they feel lifted. They feel like they're good right now, but we will see how these perform. All right, quick little update. We just got here to Six Flags. We've only been here for what, like less than 30 minutes. It's pretty warm outside.
It's about 93 degrees outside.
Okay, so it's 93 degrees right now in Valencia. Update on the Invisbra. It is just not working out. We have a couple of the pieces. I don't know if you guys can see it. Don't mind the Chick-fil-A sauce, which I spilled because we were eating in the car. For later. But yeah, it is buckling right here and up here at the top. So if you are a sweater, if you sweat a lot, Even though this is more of like a form-fitting tank top, I can really feel that it is loosening around the girl area. So this unfortunately is not a hot weatherproof bra. Thankfully, I do have a backup because I just wasn't sure. Even Abby asked me if I had one, if I brought something. Thank goodness I did. As you guys can see from that footage, unfortunately, sticky bra did not even hold up an hour of being at the park. I would definitely look into also maybe using, don't mind that my boob tape is all disheveled because it was shoved in the drawer. I would definitely look into using some sort of boob tape to really hold it in place and make sure you bring extra pieces for the day. This was the biggest disappointment, although right now it looks really good because it is a little bit warm in the room. I am perspiring a little bit, but not that much. But it had the stickiness also on the outer portion of the bra, which would have been a major plus. And I really hope that they do look into making that option because it would be perfection if it had that extra hold. Also, the aftercare on these are really simple. You just hand wash them, let them air dry. Would I recommend the Boomba inserts? Yes. The Demi Boost was definitely my favorite just because it really gave the girls that extra boost, that extra lift. And a lot of my clothing, just for personal preference, fit with the Demi Boost insert. Now, as for the Invisbra, this one was more of a disappointment. I think that they just kind of need to work on it and maybe put the stickiness also on the outer portion so it sticks to your clothes for that extra hold. Until then, I'll just have to use some boob tape and bring some extra pieces. Also really want to stress that all three of these products, the inserts as well as the Invisibra, are very comfortable to wear. Freeing not having to wear a regular structured bra or a strapless bra. It was just really comfortable. Depends on what type of clothing you're wearing and also the conditions. And the condition part goes to the Invisibra. Overall, you guys, these products, especially the inserts, did not disappoint. The Invisibra was a disappointment. Love to hear your thoughts if you guys have tried out the Boomba inserts, also the Invisibra. What did you guys think of how they look? Did it look better with wearing a regular bra? Do you guys not mind seeing, you know, the outlines of the bra? Curious to hear your thoughts on this product. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out for this review and wear test video. If you guys enjoyed hanging out, found this video helpful, and just found it entertaining, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.